Gikundi kimwe gia karibe IGEMBE na rietwa IGEMBE Focus BU gitongeretwe nura wa RMC wa Kangeta Romano Mwito nigikinyite ndene ya maskuru mwanya mwanya nteriu gikieja na tauro ciothe BUBU nikenda gutigira aritwa baba batigutira gwita skuru kumania na ageni bao bamweri nabo bakiaria arimu baritwa baba baugite bo kinya bukongera aritwa baraba ikinyagia maskuru BAKUGA nibethagirwo bagitira ni utubo kwagia tauro chegitume Marian Karugi na ripoti je
kumania na mathina yara yarumira mwana wa mwari muno itare awere mweri na utuma kinya maita ya maingi ethirwa itira skuru no ntubwa wa cia tauro cia utumira itare awe riu ikundi kije kene IGEMBE Focus BU barabatura mutindwa ni bairitaniritie kuliongera skuru mwanya mwanya cia sekondari ire Rwanda na utethio bwa tauro cia mweri ya njira imwe ya kubalikithia skuru
kari na program ya gutetheria ribetu especially baraba umete IGEMBE na kabai umete nara less privileged areas nara tumbite KWAYANA sanitary towels kire aritwa bashkuru ithandatu iria iri IGEMBE the three IGEMBE sub counties, that is IGEMBE North, Central na South na turunga bithai isukuru emurera ira yankene na National Park nara kuina ribaba inge by less privileged na focus yetora ikundi yetu kiwitwa IGEMBE Focus ni kufocus uratumbo okuria community yetu ana betu bomba kuthoma boya na baka antubabe ya in the society
enlightenment ya anabaraba torenisi fa flank kuma IGEMBE one but in awareness number two but they can afford nyakura pandira to kuona through the day to kuona examples ya the kind of things anabetu botume I can't mention here lakini itonete skurira sie off the main highways itekinyela wani most well wishers lakini batu anabaratu mede IGEMBE to identify na skurira that's here deep in the interior the arid especially the arid areas again
tukasiomia kabisa monka to make sure mwana muembe otokaita otowatira skuru no tewata skuru no ntobo wachapada
nyuma ya kwamukira utethio bo arimu ba skuru ije ne basokete nkatho bakiwa utethio bo bo atetheria na bakulika skuru na kinya kuthoma boya.
This is a great challenge to schools of this kind, especially schools which are on the civil frontier because of sentencing in school due to messes. So we are very grateful for bringing this aunt back to the community as the old boys and girls of this community. It's a great honor to us, all of us, and to our students, motivating them so that they can continue with education and also later on in the future they can come and bring back to the community. We have a total of 130 girls who have benefited from your good-hearted spirit of assisting, and I assure you that this act will retain them in class and performance will boost even more than last year.
Na mara nyingi sana huwa wanatuomba, umesikia mwalimu akisema wanaitisha kwenye parendi, other times the need arises na iko inabindi sasa tuende tukawatafutie because they come from different backgrounds, some of them cannot afford.
Amemba ba ne bakuromba kinya thirikari kuinamia mauri ya tauro iji nikendo mwana omba kuona mbetse cia kura orira bakuria thomi bange kurikana na araba umite no cokia njara na utethio
ni ya muntu umite ki community tukuyiterua reko give back to our community ndaomba kuromba kinya ntu betu baba inge baraba rutangwe kuntu mwanya mwanya timero wake kinya Nairobi Mombasa kila mahali antu ibabati kurika na community re bakuririe no ntu kethe ati community yembe tukuririe nara turuta biashara kanangwe mwanya mwanya nara mutindo tutekiumba ukinya nao na ibu ntu focus ite kinya kithomo no ntu niyo kethe ati kithomo twathomere tutekiumba ukinya nara turi nara tukiruta biashara na ngwe mwanya mwanya
na tuetete na mbere we are going to even communicate to the county government, to the national government over request even is mauri ya sanitary towels. Kondo komenya sanitary towel erare biringi bebute. Kwa hiyo erare kinya 45 lakini dhaibo komenya era iserie mwangambi yana. Is that fair? No. So we are going to communicate na kinyakendro etena ma national na county government baurie formula eboba ka supply kanyumo ka ubatetro babwebetie.
Nkiripotera Wero TV kumembe Beto Marion Karugi wa Kinywa.